Hello, and welcome back to the second video of our course, Rise Up in the Age of AI, Mastering a Growth Mindset for Career Success. In the previous video, we discussed the basics of AI and its impact on society. However, with the rise of AI, there are several misconceptions that have been spread around the idea that AI will take away jobs and leave many people unemployed. In this video, we will address these common myths and misconceptions about AI and job loss. Firstly, let's talk about the role of AI in job creation and job displacement. While it is true that some jobs will be lost due to AI, it is also true that new jobs will be created. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, by 2025, the growth in new jobs from AI will create 12 million new jobs, while also displacing around 75 million jobs. So, while there will be some job displacement, it is important to remember that there will also be new job opportunities. Secondly, AI can augment human work and improve productivity. AI can help people do their jobs more efficiently, reducing the amount of time and effort required to complete tasks. For example, AI-powered chatbots can help customer service representatives by handling routine inquiries, freeing up human representatives to handle more complex requests. In addition, AI can help businesses identify patterns and trends in data that would be difficult for humans to identify, leading to more accurate decision-making. Thirdly, let's discuss some common misconceptions about AI and job loss. One common misconception is that AI will take away all the jobs. However, the truth is that AI is more likely to replace specific tasks within jobs rather than entire jobs. For example, in the manufacturing industry, robots are being used to perform repetitive and dangerous tasks that were previously done by humans. This allows humans to focus on more complex and creative tasks, such as design and problem solving. Another misconception is that AI is only used by large companies and is not accessible to smaller businesses. However, this is not true. With the rise of cloud computing and affordable AI tools, AI is becoming more accessible to businesses of all sizes. In fact, smaller businesses may have an advantage as they can be more agile and adapt to new technology faster than larger corporations. Finally, let's talk about the industries where AI is creating new job opportunities. According to a report by LinkedIn, the top 5 industries that are seeing the most growth in AI jobs are software and IT services, manufacturing, finance, healthcare, and education. In these industries, new roles such as AI specialists, data analysts, and machine learning engineers are being created. In addition, new industries such as autonomous vehicles and virtual reality are emerging, creating new job opportunities for those with the right skills and knowledge. In conclusion, while there are certainly challenges and uncertainties that come with the rise of AI, it is important to remember that it is not all doom and gloom. AI can create new job opportunities, improve productivity, and augment human work. By understanding the role of AI in job creation and job displacement and addressing common misconceptions, we can prepare ourselves for the opportunities and challenges that the age of AI brings. Thanks for watching this video on common misconceptions about AI and job loss. We hope you found this discussion informative and thought-provoking. In the next video, we'll be talking about the importance of adapting to change in the age of AI. As you continue to learn about the evolving nature of work, remember that AI presents both challenges and opportunities. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below, and we'll see you in the next video.